Hello everyone, I'm Carla Bravo and this is my third lesson plan. I choose the Unidad Educativa San Rafael. My theme was Amazing People. That was the name of the unit. And the grammar is simple past verbs. The date was on May 9. The grade was 6th and the class was of 30 minutes. The proficiency level was beginner because they are elementary school and basic. The lesson plan designer was me. I'm Carla Bravo. The objectives throughout this lesson are, and the students will be able to identify and write the verbs in past simple, pronounce the verbs in the correct form. The METs are total physical response, audiolingual, and the strategies are individual work and visuals. The didactic material worksheets board and the text, okay, the exercise of the text. The anticipatory set, I'm going to show to the students a reading where they have many verbs in past, so they can become familiar with the topic. The main input, I'm going to ask the students to read the text, name amazing people, in order they get acquainted with the topic, that is simple past. I will explain the most used verbs in the classroom and the structure of a sentence with simple past, obviously. Later, I make them to listen carefully the pronunciation of every verb like was, built, created, and all the verbs in the reading. This is audiolingual. And I will show them the structure of a affirmative sentence with simple past on the board. That is subject plus verb in past, obviously, we are in simple past, and the complement. This is structural, okay? Then I will pretend to dramatize with a verb, and I encourage my students to guess what verb I'm mimicking, okay? And this is total physical response. And the guide practice. I will give to the students a worksheet where they look every pictures and put the correct verb in simple past with a profession, as we can see in the annex 2. Later, individually, I will give them a list of verbs in past, and they have to do sentences using them. And I will choose students one by one to read their answers and correct together. And obviously, I will helping them with exercise to see if they have any problem. Independent practice. I will give the students a worksheet where they have to write the past of the verbs that I gave them before in order they can practice alone. The assessment. I will assess my students during the class, asking them to complete given sentences like, I go to the park last night, and they have to put the past, the simple past of the verb. And I'll ask them to come to the board to write the answer. And closing review and follow-up. I will show my students a reading about a famous actress, and they have to listen the pronunciation, read and circle the verbs in past. Now we can see the material, didactic material, the text, and the exercises with simple past exercises. a list of verbs, and then the last activity. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.